As you are well aware, Google is constantly working hard to make Google Sheets an even better tool. In the second quarter of the year, they have added a couple of functionalities that I think are really nice for our customers. First of all, I think a sheet in general is often being used to prepare data to insert into a specific system. And for that, they have added two very nice functionalities. The first one is the ability to remove duplicates. Now, in this context of this sheet, which is data, the sales data, demo sales data, it might not make a whole lot of sense, but for your data, it might make sense. To remove the duplicates, you click on data right here, and then you click on remove duplicates. When you have clicked on remove duplicates, you select the column in which you want to remove the duplicates, and I'm going to do it here on column J, which is the state column, and then I click remove duplicates. And as you can see, I only keep the unique values here. Okay, I'm just going to go back for my second feature that I want to show. And the second feature that I want to show is the ability to trim the white space. So as you can see, if you are going to want to import this data into a specific system, you might see here that there is white space before or after a specific value, and this might give an error in when you imported the data. So in order to do this in bulk, you select the column, then you click on data, and after that, you click on trim white space. So I'm going to click on trim white space right now. And as you can see, it trimmed the white space on the three cells where you saw a couple of seconds ago that there was white space. So that's the second feature that I think is really interesting. The third feature, which I think is also very interesting, is the ability to see the revision history, not only for your entire sheet, but if you click on a specific cell, you have now the ability to show the edit history of that specific cell. So if you want to know who has changed the cell, you just click on the cell, you do a right click, and you click on see version history. And then you can see that I have now changed this. So that's also a very cool one. Okay. So these are the three main features. I think I'm missing one. I'm just going to check very quickly. That's also very important. And that is the ability to have the compatible keyboard shortcuts. So a lot of you might be familiar with the Excel keyboard shortcuts. And now Google Sheets has added the ability to use the Excel keyboard shortcuts in Google Sheets. To do so, you click on Help, then go to Keyboard Shortcuts. And then you have the ability to enable compatible spreadsheet shortcuts. Voila. And then as you can see, you will have the ability to use the shortcuts that you are used to from the past. So these are the 4 additions to Google Sheets. I think Google has done a great job. I hope you like it. Thank you very much and have a